Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing well. This is week 7 and I am going to start the second lesson of this week. In the last lesson we have discussed prime factorization and index notation. The topic I have selected for this week is HCF by prime factorization method using index form. After watching this lesson, you will be able to know HCF of numbers by prime factorization method and to know HCF of numbers using index notation. HCF by prime factorization using index notation. Now what is HCF? The greatest number that is a factor of two or more other numbers. That means when we find all the factors of two or more numbers and some factors are the same, then the largest of those common factors is the highest common factor. For example, if we want to calculate HCF of 24, 60 and 84 by prime factorization method using index notation, before going to start the solution, remember two main points while taking HCF. The divisors should be prime factors and we should start from the smallest prime number. Now first we split the numbers into their prime factors. Here prime factors of 24 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1. Why? Because here we have 2 3 times and 3 1 time. And prime factors of 60 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 1. Now prime factors of 84 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Here we have 2 times, so we will write 2 raised to the power 2. 3 1 times, so we will write 3 raised to the power 1. Multiply by 7 1 times, so we will write 7 raised to the power 1. As the prime factors common to all three numbers are 2 and 3, it can be said that HCF is the product of the common factors with their lowest index. As you can see here, we have two different indices or powers with the same base 2. That is 2 raised to the power 3 and 2 raised to the power 2. Which one is the lowest one? Yes, 2 raised to the power 2. So we will select 2 raised to the power 2 and then 3 raised to the power 1, the lowest common factor in base 3. So the HCF of these numbers will be 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1, which is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Let's solve exercise 3C, in which we will find out HCF of numbers by prime factorization method using index form. In part A, here we have three numbers, so we will calculate HCF of these numbers by using prime factorization method. Let's take prime factorization of 66. Look at this number. This number has 6 in its units place. That means this number is an even number. And the smallest even prime number will be 2. So we will write 2 here and then 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Now we have got 33 and 33 is an odd number. So let's check its divisibility for 3 because the smallest prime odd number is 3. For this we will add the digits 3 plus 3 which is equal to 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. So yes, here we will write 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Now here we have got 11. As you know 11 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 1 or 11. So here we will write 11. 11 ones are 11. Now we will factorize 72. As we can see here, 72 is an even number. So it will be divisible by 2. So we will write 2 over here. 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. Now 36 is an even number, so it will again divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. 18 is also an even number, so once again it is divisible by 2. 2 nines are 18. Here 9 is an odd number, so it will be divisible by 3 because the smallest odd prime number will be 3. So 3 threes are 9. Here 3 is a prime number, so it will be divisible by 1 or 3. 3 ones are 3. After that we will factorize 30. Now 30 is an even number because this number has 0 in its units place. So we will write 2 over here. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. Now 15 is an odd number. Let's check its divisibility for 3 because this number has 5 in its units place and this number is an odd number. So for divisibility of 3, we will add these digits 1 plus 5, which is equal to 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. So we will write 3 here. 3 fives are 15. Here 5 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 1 or 5. 5 ones are 5. Now we will write prime factors of 66, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. And then we will express these prime factors as index notation. Here we have 2 1 times, so we will write 2 raised to the power 1. 3 1 time, so we will write 3 raised to the power 1. 11 1 time, so it will be 11 raised to the power 1. Prime factors of 72 can be written as 72 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Here you can see that 2 is multiplied by 2 3 times. So in index form, we will write 2 raised to the power 3 multiply by, here we have 3 is multiplied by 3 2 times. So we will write 3 raised to the power 2. And then we will write prime factors of 30, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And in index notation, it can be written as 2 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 1. As the prime factors common to all three numbers are 2 and 3. If we talk about 2, so we have two index notations with same base 2. That is 2 raised to the power 3 and 2 raised to the power 1. So which one is lowest one? Between 2 raised to the power 3 and 2 raised to the power 1? Yes, 2 raised to the power 1. So for HCF we need the smallest index notation. So we will write 2 raised to the power 1 here. And with base 3 we have again two index notations, that is 3 raised to the power 2 and 3 raised to the power 1. Which one is lowest one? Yes, 3 raised to the power 1. So here we will write 3 raised to the power 1. Now 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2 and 3 raised to the power 1 is equal to 3. And 2 times 3 is equal to 6. This is the required HCF of given numbers. Come to the next part. Here we will take HCF of these three numbers by prime factorization method and then express in index form. So look at this number 180. This is an even number. So we will divide this number by 2. 2 nines are 18, 0. Now again it is an even number. So we will divide it by 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Now it is an odd number. So we will divide it by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. Now again this is an odd number, so it will be divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, and here 5 is a prime number, so we will divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5. Now we will factorize 240. It is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 0 we will write as it is. Again it is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12, and 0 as it is. Once again it is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 threes are 6, and 0 as it is. Again we have an even number, so we will divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Now this is an odd number, so it will be divisible by 3. 3 fives are 15, and 5 ones are 5. After that we will factorize 270. Now 270 is an even number, so we will divide it by 2. So here we will write 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fives are 10. Now it is an odd number, so we will divide it by 3. 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Now again we have got an odd number, so it will be divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Again we have odd number, so 3 fives are 15. Now 5 is a prime number, so it will either divisible by 1 or by 5. So we can't take 1 as a prime factor because 1 is not a prime number. So we will divide it by 5. So 5 ones are 5. Here we will write prime factors of 180, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. In index form it will be 2 square multiply with 3 raised to the power 2 and multiply 5 raised to the power 1. Why? Because here we have 2 is multiplied by 2 2 times, and 3 is multiplied by 3 2 times, and we have 5 raised to the power 1 here. Continuing the same procedure, we will write prime factors of 240 and then prime factors of 270 and their index forms as well. As we know that HCF is the product of the common prime factors with their lowest index. So here we will select lowest index forms with base 2 as 2 raised to the power 1, with base 3 3 raised to the power 1, and with base 5 5 raised to the power 1, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So 2 threes are 6 and 6 fives are 30. So 30 is the required HCF of given numbers. Dear students, it was all about today's lesson. I hope you will be able to solve the remaining parts of this exercise given in worksheet. Thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.